Look at this. Extra screen protector, some headphones, micro USB, European power brick. How about the accessories? So the battery, not huge, 1500 milliamp hours. There we go, okay. Dual SIM cards right now. You're probably wondering, why would there be dual SIM cards here? I'm not complaining about it, but in certain places, typically emerging markets, this is a feature that's in high demand for various reasons. You can actually keep two phone numbers in here. So that's a feature we don't even see on a lot of premium phones. Also, micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Pretty surprising. So I'm guessing this is not a fingerprint scanning. I think this is a pen mark. Like somebody drew with a pen on the inside. Look at that. Fairly quick. Got a bit of an iOS type of vibe skin to it. You can see the browser looks like a Safari logo. The touch screen, it's got this weird vibe where it's recessed quite a bit from the actual surface. Wow, you know what? Pretty snappy, dare I say, for something that is the cost of a toy.
I switched to the creaky chair. What's up, guys? We're back with another video.
I mean, I've heard
Checking out.
probably worse speakers on phones that cost